Let's solve one beautiful math question in the easiest way. Ready? But before we start, try this question in your mind. You got it? Now, what's the easiest method to solve it so that you will never lose here again? We have given 60 plus 4 into 11 minus 9. Here we are going to use BODMAS rule, that is brackets, operation, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction to solve this. So as per the rule, first we are going to do multiplication here. 4 into 11 becomes 44. Now the entire equation changes as 60 plus 44 minus 9. Now first we are going to do addition, then subtraction. 60 plus 44 becomes 104. 104 minus 9 is nothing but 95. Therefore, the solution of 60 plus 4 into 11 minus 9 is 95. If you found this video helpful, hit a like and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tricky problems like this. Thank you friends, we will meet in a new interesting video.